Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Charge the Oppo A5S above 50% so nothing interrupts the process. Power the phone off, then press and hold power and volume down to enter recovery. This is faster than waiting for menus. Once in recovery, note whether it's Color OS recovery or Android recovery because the next steps differ. Make sure you have the original USB cable and a PC available for ADB commands in case the menu options are missing or grayed out. You now choose the appropriate path. If the menu shows Reboot System Now, try that first. It may exit recovery. If not, use Wipe Cache or Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Understand that Factory Reset erases user data, so only use it if acceptable. If menu items are unavailable, enable ADB in recovery and connect to your PC. Run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB reboot or a DB reboot recovery to force an exit. These ADB commands work because you finish by selecting Reboot System Now and waiting. This normally boots you back into Color OS. If the phone keeps returning to recovery, reflash the stock firmware using the appropriate tool for MediaTek devices that repairs corrupted partitions. Once done, reboot again. Make sure to confirm the device boots fully before restoring data. If flashing fails, try a DB reboot bootloader, then fastboot OEM unlock only if you accept unlocking risks. This can clear persistent recovery loops caused by firmware mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.